What is up, everybody? We are back with another episode. I know it's been a couple days. I hope everybody had a great 4th of July. As you can see, we had some issues. So next, we're going to be taking off all these 2x4s and these beams going across, and we are going to frame up these walls and get them ready so that we can sister those joists all the way down and make this structure structurally sound. So I hope everybody here that has been paying attention and watching enjoys exactly what's going on. If you see any ideas that you want to throw in, then go ahead. Right now we are waiting on some permits for our roof, and hopefully at the end of this week, beginning of next week, we will get that roof all situated so we can come back in here, start insulating, and get the electrical back to where it needs to be. We also need to run some plumbing up to the upstairs bathroom that we are going to be having. I got a shower donated to us, which I am very grateful for my friends in the construction business. As I said, we're going to have a sliding door over here in the back. We're going to get a new front door, which is right there. We got 2 new windows that we're going to put in the porch. And we have another back door that we can use if we need to. I haven't really decided if I want to put the slider in the kitchen or in the living room out the back so we can have a better view. You guys give me that idea, or give me the answer to that. I want to hear what you guys have to say. So thank you, and I will see you at the end of the video, and throughout you'll hear my beautiful voice. Peace! Damn, I almost just got cracked by that thing. Look at it, it bent right out. Woo! And now we're going to take that apart and go from there. So this may be dangerous. Not really sure how this is going to go, but we're going to see. Woo! That was wild. God damn. I didn't think about these windows. Thank God I missed them. Just to level my life. I don't fold, I don't break. Every move that I make, no excuse, no lie. You can see it in my eyes. I don't quit, I don't quit. I go hard to the end, now it's mine. I've been built for this time. I don't fold, I don't fold, I don't quit. I was built for this. No excuse, no fear. I've been locked all year. Burn it up, no delay. Yeah, I go get in my way. What's up, everybody? So right now we are repurposing these new, well, they're not new, they're old 2x8s. I believe this is a type of wood that you can't get anymore, so I don't really know exactly what they truly are. So right here they're 2x7s. They're not even 2x8s. So right now we just detailed them. I didn't get the video footage, I forgot. But we're out here now. And so these are gonna be added to our beams going across where our joists are. And I'll show you that right now. So pretty much where that 2x6 is up on the top, we're sistering those old joists across to make one solid beam all the way around. So thank you guys so much, and stay tuned with the time lapse. Peace. I go put one up for fire. And I say, if you say make it put 2 light for fire. Put one up for fire. I go put 1 light for fire. I go put 1 light.
walking through the city feeling insane. She said she need a man with more faith, but I'm just the boy from the same old lane. I tried to give her everything I had, but she only saw the price tag. She was looking for a diamond ring, not a heart that beats so fast. I love you no matter what, but if you say make it, put one up for fire, 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 burning. I go put one up for fire. And me say, if you say make it, put two light for fire. Put one up for fire. Put one light for fire. Put one light for fire.
All right, so everything is going great right now. I got this exterior wall all framed in up top. It was, I can only do so much because it's an old house, and I tried jacking up the ridge, and with old structures, they've been sitting for so long that, normally it's really hard to get them back to plumb and square. So I jacked it up a couple inches and then it settled. And, so we're just going to have to go with what it is and continue framing. So we got this one wall all set, as you can see. It's all framed up top. As you can tell, they didn't do headers for any of the windows or doors. So I might go back through and throw some headers in at this time. I don't know yet, so we're just gonna move forward to this next wall. So the next part we got going on, we're gonna sweep up all this debris that was up in there and then give it a quick vacuum. Then we're gonna move all this stuff over to here and redo the process. I hope everybody's enjoying the videos. Please like, comment, and share. It's the easiest way to support me, and I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. Peace. What's up, everybody? We are back. We finally got these two walls all set up. Next, we got the gable end and an interior wall right here to really get going. But as you can see, we are framed up. It's bowed at the top, so I had to go with what I had. And, once we do the siding, we'll frame up and make it all square once we get to that point on the exterior. So we'll probably just sister to these 2x4s and bring it out another 2 inches, 3 inches like it is, and remove all those exterior boards and replace it with traditional framing. So that's where we're at right now. Tomorrow, we got an inspector coming in to let me know about all the permits that I need for the roof and the electrical and the plumbing, et cetera, because I want to go about this the right way. So that's what we're doing. So I hope everybody has enjoyed exactly what's going on. And if you like what you're seeing, follow this page. YouTube, TikTok, Life of the Yetis. Peace.